Hello everyone, this video is for those who want to increase engagement on the Facebook platform. Have you ever posted on Facebook and it felt like nobody saw it, no likes, no comment? Here's the truth, a lot of posts don't fail because the offer is bad. They fail because your post looks empty in the first minutes and the algorithm stops pushing it. That's why I want to show you one feature inside thehaimkt that can change the game. It's a setting function. Setting function in instructional can have you create natural engagement so that your post looks active and worthy. Okay, so here's what it can do for you. For example, if you want to setting this post, first you need to get the post link. Then you get the post UID. Okay, you copy it and paste into the software. Yeah, you can see the configuration when setting. Choose setting post and paste the UID here. Okay, next you just need to select the content you want to setting on it. I already create some comments so that it can run into my post. Okay, you can also leave a reaction to your post. Okay, then you just need to click start here. Okay, and you can see the action in the software. Okay, it's finished now, so you can check the post again. Here, can you see it? Okay, and now let me be clear. Setting doesn't replace good content, but it can make your good content win faster. If you are posting in groups, running a fan page, launching an offer, or trying to build daily engagement without spending hours doing it manually, so this software is exactly what you need. If you want, I will recommend the best setting setup for your needs. How many likes, how many comments, what comment angle, and what timing, so it looks totally natural. So to get that plan, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp that I pin below in the video description. And if you see this video is useful for you, please contact me and leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.